my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from Yolissa Hair. This one is going to be a closure install. So let's do a little bit of the unboxing. I'm going to put right here on the screen too exactly which wig I got from their site. You can also find it linked in my description bar below. I love when these wigs come out of the packaging with like a flat base. Do y'all see how flat that is? Basically, I could put this on and go. But I think I don't want to do a middle part today. It comes out of the packaging with a middle part, but I think I want to do a side part with this. Very beautiful curls. It already has a really nice curl pattern. If I do anything to it, I think it would just be some water. But I really love the curl pattern that it has. But since it's been packaged, you can see how it's kind of bent right there at the ends. So I'm gonna have to do something just to make sure all of the hair flows together in the same direction, and then it'll just rehydrate the ends because the ends just look like a little bit worn out coming out of the packaging. So we can get it together. You see it up close, you see that the knots are already bleached in this wig, and the front is already plucked. So if you do decide to get this one, there's not much that you'll have to do to it once you get it. And they have a few more goodies inside the packaging. They have the satin bag to keep your wig placed in. They give you some HD lace caps. We'll give some lashes, an edge brush, a melt band. That's all that comes in the packaging. So now we can get ready with the install. Now the wig is glueless, but I'm probably going to use some mousse and stuff today because I kind of want to get a little funny with the baby hairs. Yes, I know. Me and baby hairs do not get along, but I really have been inspired by a video that I saw this morning. I can actually show it right to you now on the screen. So let's go ahead and get started with the install, and then I'll come back at the end and let you guys know what I think about it and how the install went.
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone with soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. What were they talking about on your timeline? That's cutting on in my time. My time with you now. me anxious. Call your number and it's out of service. Who can I call for your information? What am I supposed to do after we done everything that we done? Who is your replacement?
Alright guys, so I have finished the install and I'm very, very, very proud of myself because, do you see this? Normally, no, I don't do anything like this, but this does not look bad for someone who don't do baby hairs. And I like this little extra little flick here that I achieved. It looked pretty good. I tried to do the same thing over here, which I did, but then it moved. It didn't stay, but I'm guessing that's because I probably didn't have enough mousse. It was there. Now it's gone. Let me see if I can fix it just real quick. Not to extend this video out any longer. It just keeps wanting to go back. It is really going on. To get into the actual hair, the hair is extremely soft. Like one of the softest wigs that I've tried in a while. And it might be because of the water wave texture. I don't feel like I try this texture often on my channel. So I am becoming a fan of water wave hair, and also to mention that it's super easy to style because all you need is water or some type of hydrating product. All I did was add this little foaming wrap set lotion mousse that I got from a local beauty supply store. I can actually rub my fingers through this hair without it being tangled, and like I told you, these loose curls are gorgeous. So what I did to achieve this look, I moved the closure over a little bit from the side of the to the side of my head instead of it being centered right in the middle, so that way I can get the nice side part that I was looking for. I wanted it to look a little bit deeper on the side, and I do have it on the left, but you could do the same technique over to the right and give you a right side part instead. Y'all know if I'm gonna do a side part, it's definitely on my left side because I'm left-handed and it feels better that way. Since I did do all that mousse and stuff, it might have lifted my little makeup a little bit, so I'm just doing a light dab with some of this makeup to make sure that my hair is blending and everything looks okay and my makeup looks good. But also to mention, I didn't use any holding products. I didn't use any glue. I didn't use any spray. This is actually on, like, I don't know if you can see that. It is on and blending in pretty well, I'd like to say. I think it looks really good. Sometimes my camera be picking up other ish, but in person, looking right now in my mirror, I don't see anything. Like, this looks really, really good. The inside has combs on the sides, and it also has an elastic band in there that's adjustable. You have adjustable bands in the back as well. So you have two in the front to keep your wig secure, and then you have your elastic bands to keep it secure, and you have adjustable bands to make it fit to the sizing that you would like. I normally go for medium to large whenever I look in wigs that have a size option for you that normally falls between 22 to 23.5. Medium is like 22 to 22.5 circumference, and then 23 to 23.5. I can really get by with like a 22.5, 23. I'm a little bigger headed, so. And I will definitely be wearing this style come next week. Let me know what you guys think about it. Thank you again to Yolissa Hair for sending today's unit over for me to try for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, of course, what you think in the comments. If you aren't subscribed already, please do so. We're almost at 20K. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.